When preparing sausage, it's important to ensure it's fully cooked to avoid the risk of getting sick. There are two ways to determine if your sausage is cooked. One is using a meat thermometer or checking for firmness and clear juices. The internal temperature of sausage should be between 160 and 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If the sausage is floppy or the juices are pink, it needs more cooking time. To cook sausages, you can boil them for 30 minutes, frying them for about 5 minutes after boiling for added color and flavor. Another method is to poach sausages in water and other liquids like wine or chicken stock until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees before grilling them for 5 to 10 minutes on high heat to ensure that the final internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, you can cook sausages in a nonstick pan over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping them regularly. Or you can coat them lightly in oil and oven roast your sausages at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown and cooked thoroughly.